Manager says traditional brainstorming sessions often fail to deliver most of the time, but mid-market enterprises, especially in fields like consulting, retail, finance, pharmaceuticals, and high-tech, must face continuous pressures to innovate. Yet as teams become more distributed, collaborative brainstorming becomes a bottleneck, typically dominated by few voices and characterized by lack of any clear structure or agenda. These very inefficiencies are not just frustrating, they are costing the US economy nearly $400 billion annually. So it's time to rethink how we brainstorm. Meet BrainStormX, our intelligent brainstorming and collaborative innovation platform that transforms chaotic sessions into structured, inclusive, exciting, and actionable ideas pipelines. At its core, BrainStormX leverages multiple Nova models: Nova Lite for real-time facilitation, Nova Pro for complex analysis, Nova Canva for visual enhancement, orchestrated through our intelligent brainstorming workflow engine. Let me show you how this works in practice. We spin up a workshop with a title and objective. BrainStormX uses Amazon Bedrock Nova Lite to generate a structured workshop agenda, icebreaker, and session guidelines. Let's join the lobby to confirm the details. Next, we start the workshop and the live room loads with video conference, live chat features, and workshop controls. The assist and monitor engagements and guide participants in real time.
Here is the agenda for the Zero Carbon Mobility 2030 workshop.
The workshop organizer
1.
can also
Welcome
act as
and
assistant to
introduction.
facilitate the next steps. With just one line of natural language command, the workshop room is orchestrated.
Welcome to the Zero Carbon Mobility 2030 workshop,
As the AI
where our
facilitator
goal
speaks,
is to innovate and
BrainStormX transcribes
collaborate
in
on
real time.
sustainability.
Now let's have the assistant summarize the briefing document.
Here's a summary of the briefing document Zero Carbon Mobility 2030.
Our automated
Training
workflow engine manages the entire brainstorming lifecycle from ideation to execution. Each idea, comment, and insight is captured instantly. Nothing slips through the crack.
Your idea, autonomous water taxi network for urban rivers, has
Leveraging
been
Amazon
successfully
Bedrock Nova
posted to the
models with
whiteboard.
agent core memory for advanced reasoning and awareness capabilities. In the clustering phase, similar ideas are grouped by teams, and with a single natural language command, the assistant casts your vote to the pool instantly.
Your vote for the alternative transportation modes cluster has been recorded.
Nova Pro analyzes the workshop data and produces reports in minutes. All what used to take days now happen in minutes. The action planner feeds on everything that has been deliberated in the meeting and produces a structured action plan report with assigned owners, realistic timeline, and project milestone tracking. No more post-workshop confusion. What makes BrainStormX truly unique is its ability to intersect collaboration, automation, and facilitation through an enterprise-ready agentic architecture that redefines how teams brainstorm, decide, and act across the entire workshop lifecycle in real time. With BrainStormX, innovation isn't just a possibility, it is your new reality.